Oh, excuse me. Whew, just as I hit play, I had to sneeze. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's talk about what we're going to be doing for writing today. Today, for writing, we're going to do something a little bit different. Something really important happened this weekend, and in lieu of everything going on in the world, I thought let's take some time and let's take a look at what's actually happening as far as the SpaceX launch. So, if you're a Mr. Gilbert or a Mr. Scott, we watched a few of these test rockets go up this year in class when you were there, and they were pretty cool. Long story short, a company called SpaceX, and you guys probably have heard of this, the Tesla cars, the guy that makes the Tesla cars, is helping create rockets into space for NASA. So, I want you to watch this video, and I'm attaching it in the link. You might have already seen it. That's fine. Go ahead and rewatch it. You don't actually have to watch the entire thing because it is 25 minutes long. If I were you, I watched the first few minutes and then I'd skip to around, let's see here, about 6 minutes in. So start from about 6 minutes in. I don't know if you can hear this. You start hearing all the thing that's happening, the countdown for the spaceship. You're going to see the people in the spaceship, and then you're going to see it blast off. There's a lot that happens in here and a lot of really, really cool things. Now, something we don't do a lot in writing is give you these really open ended writing prompts to write. Today, I want you to do two things. Today is going to be a writing and planning day in one. You're going to plan out your writing, attach it, and also your plan. Sorry, your plan is going to be attached in your writing. So maybe just one page or submit it in 2 pages, but your response should have a plan, definitely should have a plan, and it, of course, should have the actual response. I'm going to leave it very open ended for you. I want you to describe the SpaceX launch or describe, it's also called the rocket that's going into space. It's called the Falcon 9 rocket. So you might want to start with something along the lines of topic sentence like this. I'm just going to give you an idea so you can get started because this could be a little bit tricky if you don't have a starting point. Um, let's say the Falcon, oops, that's a proper noun. Falcon 9 rocket blasted into space. Period. That's a good topic sentence. It's a good starting point. Or SpaceX. Let's do another one. Example of a topic sentence. SpaceX launched the Falcon 9 rocket today. There are lots of topic sentences you could write. This was a very important, I'm going to call it spaceship or rocket to go into space. If you listen to it, it's the first space rocket ship that is launching from the United States from US soil in over 10 years with people. So this is a pretty big thing that happened just recently that SpaceX is now shooting spaceships or space rockets into space with people on board to go to the space station. Maybe one day we'll go to the moon again. Maybe one day we'll even go to Mars in your lifetime. Wouldn't that be cool? But this is a really cool writing assignment, I think, and it's something that in history, definitely a really big piece of history. So, what your assignment is for today? Watch the video. Okay, there's a link in the in CCEL. Watch this video. You don't have to watch the entire thing because it is a little bit long and there's a lot of talking here at the end. I'd say start from the beginning. You might want to skip ahead to like 6 minutes and then watch it actually blast off into space. Listen to what happens when it gets into space. I want you to write about this. I want you to reflect on this. What do you see? What's happening? Why is this important? These are all questions you might want to answer in your writing. Now, finally, I am going to put a sentence minimum on there. You should be writing a minimum of 12 sentences, no less than 12 sentences. In Eastern, if you write less than 12 sentences, if you write 3 sentences, I'm going to send it back to you. Okay. 12 sentences is our minimum. Okay. 12 sentence minimum. If you have any questions about this, because it is more open ended, please feel free to reach out to me or your teachers, and I'd be glad to get back to you. I can't wait to read some of your writing, and we're probably going to do that this week because we are starting to wind down the school year. I want to share out some of your excellent writing and share those growths that you've made this year. All right, everyone. Well, it's been great, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening and good luck. Bye.